company's core assets are essentially Croteau Est and its TPK property. Croteau Est is in west central Quebec in the Chapé-Chibougamau camp. We already have an inferred resource on that property, and we're looking to expand that as we go through 2017. It also has all kinds of blue sky potential on the property. We spent quite a bit of time during the downturn establishing control and emplacement mechanisms for gold emplacement on the property. So we've got a pretty good handle on that now, and we're going to be pursuing that. TPK is a remarkable opportunity. It's very rare that a junior exploration has this kind of asset in its portfolio. We have not one but two very important assets on that property, mineralized systems that we recognized way back in 2010, 2011. We have not been able to get back to that property over the past few years because of the commodity markets and the downturn in the commodity markets, but we now have an opportunity to get boots back on the ground and to pursue that. Going forward in 2017, we were fortunate enough to raise a fair bit of capital over the last 3-4 months, and part of that capital is going to be expensed on Croteau. So we raised 2 million Quebec super flow-through monies during November of last year. We've just completed a phase one of 2 phases of core drilling on that property, with the intent of trying to demonstrate the ability to expand ounces in association with the inferred resource that we already have there. Phase 1 was tremendously successful. We only spent $700,000 of the $1 million allocated to that first phase of drilling. We did get 16 holes drilled, or just over 4,300 meters of drilling. We found or discovered 2 new gold-bearing structures on the property and a far superior understanding of the inferred resource and control mechanisms for emplacement of gold-bearing fluids in that system. That leaves us with $1.3 million left, or over 8,000 meters of drilling, to initiate sometime probably early Q4 of this year. And again, we're going to be spending quite a bit of time and effort trying to establish the best targets to go after for that phase 2 drilling program. TPK, we've allocated approximately $800,000 to complete a prospecting program that we had initiated but were unable to complete in the fall of 2012. We had discovered that new mineralized gold-bearing, copper-bearing, silver-bearing system in the far northwest part of the property, where a number of boulders were recovered, running as high as 727 grams per ton gold, 111 grams per ton silver, and over 4% copper. So a tremendous opportunity up there. I want to spend a bit of time and effort in August to go up, see if we can't better define those dispersal trains, boulder dispersal trains coming off target. Then we'll be doing a lot of structural studies on the eastern part of the property to better understand, again, gold emplacement mechanisms. And if our shareholders recall, this was an amazing discovery made back and really defined back in 2012. Largest gold, we think anyway, one of the largest, if not the largest, gold grain and till dispersal apron in North America. It's equal to, if not the same size as the one coming off the Meliadine deposit in Nunavut, and certainly is telling us that there is tremendous opportunity just on that part of the property alone.